What used to take hours and it only takes seconds. Hi, I'm Brent with Red Castle Resources, and today I want to talk to you about mapping hurricane damage using ASKTERRA. So let's jump right in. So of particular interest to me is Hurricane Helene and the damage that Asheville, North Carolina experienced from that event. So let's see what we can get from ASKTERRA. I can just prompt map Hurricane Helene damage in Asheville, North Carolina, and let's see what we get. So in 19.4 seconds, we're able to get our results. So let's first look at the map output. You can see the map is centered on Asheville, North Carolina. We have 3 layers displayed in our map display, our change detection that highlights change on the landscape in red. We also have the pre and post imagery that ASKTERRA used to do the analysis. Here we've loaded the pre-imagery before the event, and here you can see post imagery after the event, and then you can see the change from the two. Also in our conversational panel, we have some context that helps us interpret and understand what the map's representing. ASKTERRA gives you the region and the event context. It also gives you pre-event composite dates and post-event composite dates. It talks about the index used, the normalized burn ratio. It tells you the threshold that it used when using that ratio. And it gives you just a little bit of interpretation of how to look at the map and interpret what you're seeing. It also gives you citations that reference the event and the damage that occurred during the event. So you might be asking yourself, if you're a GIS expert, what control do I have of the analysis that ASKTERRA does? And the answer is you have a lot of control. So maybe instead of the NBR, you wanted to run an NDVI. So let's ask Terra, can you rerun the analysis using NDVI? So we want to change the index, and maybe we're looking at a change on the landscape. The NDVI would be better at highlighting than NBR. So now we can see that we've got a new map product computed in 30 seconds this time, and it reran the analysis with an NDVI to highlight different types of change. So we have the same map product that we can explore, and it's the same contextual conversation. Now, there might be thinking to yourself, if you're a GIS person, that you want to maybe export these results or share them with other people. So ASKTERRA does offer those features. The pre, the post, and the change detection image can be exported as GeoTIFFs. You can pull them into your own GIS. You can zip them up and send them to your colleagues and pull them into their GIS. You can also create tile services of all the layers, or a simple PDF report that you can share with non-GIS users. All of these things allow you to export the data out of ASKTERRA. Now, one final feature that is really cool is that you can share this entire conversational output and your map products with other ASKTERRA users by just copying this link and sending it to them. If they have an ASKTERRA account, they can click on that link, open up your instance, see your entire conversation and the map outputs, and continue the analysis where you left off. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We have more videos that explain monitoring agricultural health over time or mapping wildfire extent, and you can access those at this playlist. Otherwise, if you're more interested in the tools and capabilities of ASKTERRA and want to take a little bit more of a deep dive, hit this playlist to explore those. Thanks till next time.